So that fiasco where we were trying to use Google Calculator didn't go so well. So let's do this a little more smoothly. So you can see all I've done is Google, using the words Google Calculator. And we're going to use the exact same equation that I discussed in the video prior to this one. So that is this equation. I'm going to show you the equation. So sine of theta equals a half. We want to solve that. So first thing we would do is take the inverse sine of both sides, as you can see here. So we'll discuss how this happens, why this happens in more detail next time. But once we take inverse sine of both sides, we end up here. So you have theta equals inverse sine of 1/2. And that is what we want to evaluate. So as we were saying, Google Calculator, this is the result. So you want to make sure that degree is in a black print and you want radian to be in gray. This tells you that you are in degree mode. So unlike the iPhone, where you would type in 1/2 first, on the Google Calculator, the phone is ringing, of course. Let's pause this. Okay, phone answered. So, so theta equals inverse sine of 1/2. So make sure degree is printed in black. That tells you that your answer will be in degrees. So on the Google Calculator, you've got to press this inverse button first. Notice sine, cosine, and tangent all change to their inverses. When you press sine to the -1, you're going to get arc sine. Arc sine is the other way to write inverse sine. That's the one I didn't tell you. So arc sine, and now you enter the numerical value, the ratio of your opposite and hypotenuse. So that was 1 divided by 2. When you press enter, it will then give you the value of that reference angle. So we now know that theta in this equation, we now know that that reference angle is 30 degrees. So that is how you do it with the Google Calculator.